Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to the adventures of Susan. Today we are diving into the heart of local cuisine with a recipe that has been passed down through generations, cherished for its flavors and heartwarmingness. In this recipe, we will blend together the freshest ingredients, harmonizing flavors and time-tested techniques to create a dish that is not just a meal but a piece of culinary history. So join me in this epic experience as we enjoy and celebrate the heart and soul of local chicken. Without further ado, let's dive headfirst into the world of flavors and uncover the magic of our local chicken stew. Here we are going to add in salt for seasoning. Now, depending on how fatty your chicken is, whether it has fats or there are few fats, you put in enough cooking oil so that it can enter deep inside. So as local chicken matures, sometimes it becomes a bit hard. So if it is a bit old, put in enough water and bring it to a boil. Let it boil until the water is totally out. You will hear the meat sizzling. Here you stir a bit and then add in red onions. This is local garlic, locally grown at home. We put in our nicely chopped garlic. We then chop our hand-picked tomatoes. We cook all the vegetables until they are tender, and then add in chicken curry. So when the chicken curry is well mixed, we add in water for soup. Please put enough depending on how much you enjoy the chicken soup. Stir a bit to mix well the ingredients. Before I forget, you include every ingredient that you have and really enjoy. Cinnamon is not for only tea or cake spicing or what. So I'm going to drop in a piece. See how concentrated and mouth-watering the soup looks. I put in my cinnamon for flavoring. This one is ready to be served. It is absolutely heavenly. From my kitchen to your kitchen, may all your meals always be filled with love and laughter. Till we meet again, bye-bye.